Welcome to Timberdoodle's 2019 fourth grade curriculum. Let's start off today with, tell us about the math.
So in math for fourth grade, we have the Math You See Delta, which comes with the DVD instruction, the books that you're going to need, the workbooks you're going to need, and the math manipulatives. And again, as we've said in other grade levels, we encourage you to take the placement test on our website. Make sure that this is the right set for your child. You can customize it up or down grades depending on where your child is, but typically most fourth graders are going to be in Delta level. Also included is the Extreme Dot-to-Dot Rainforest, which is an extreme fun twist to math. Some of the dot-to-dot puzzles in here have over 1,400 dots. So that'll just be a fun twist for your child to liven up math a little bit.
Sounds great. Let's look at language arts next. Okay, we've got first language lessons, and that's going to deal with grammar for fourth grader. It's also going to have some very basic on diagramming sentences.
Yep.
So just your fundamentals. We again have spelling you see. This is book E. Again, we would say just like on the math you see, if you don't know which level your child should be in, there's a test online. Take it and plug your child into the right one.
Yeah. We also have this daily 6-trait writing, which is basically gives your child short daily assignments that will keep your child on grade level in all the different writing traits. So pretty simple, but keeps them on task.
Keeps their skills at grade level.
Yep.
All right, and finally we have the Mazdas Literature, which is just reading real books is a wonderful thing, and I'm all for that. Go to your library, check out books. We are addicted to books around here.
Yep.
But there's something nice about having a literature program that just kind of walks you through what the children should be, what is age appropriate for that child, and do they understand it? And you don't have to reinvent anything. You don't have to get a book out of the library and then ask comprehensive questions. It's all in here. And so augment with the library, augment with your friends' books, but this will just make sure that your child is functioning at grade level in the areas of literature.
And in a wholesome way. As parents, it's hard to find to know what is wholesome and what's age appropriate.
Right.
And they've done all that work for us.
They've done it in the wholesome. It's not religious. And so then you don't have to worry about if you're saying, hey, I don't share your values. That's okay. These are wholesome stories in here. No religious overturn to it.
Yep.
Next, we have thinking skills. Again, a very amazing curriculum. This is Building Thinking Skills Book 2. Covers all that they need to know about thinking skills for this age level. Very precept upon precept. You're going to get everything you need to know there. The game this year is Color Coup, which is like Sudoku, except with color marbles. And it's a challenge, and it's fun, and it's beautifully done. You can, if you don't have little children around the house, you can leave it on the coffee table, and it's just a great workout for their child's brain.
Yep.
All right.
For teaching helps, I guess I would call it, we have the Mix by Me Thinking Putty, which comes with, I believe, 5 little tins so your child can design their own thinking putty colors. Again, this is the fidget for your child that is the kinesthetic learner and just will go crazy if required to sit still. This will give them a fun way to customize their own fidget to be working with as they're doing their school. Test practice is for the end of the year when you are trying to get them prepared to go in and take a test. For a lot of states require the yearly test if they have any testing anxiety or just to get them in the mindset of that. And also will give you as their teacher a little heads up on what subjects they're scoring well in or which they may need a little more practice before you go in.
Exactly.
History. This is Story of the World, Volume 4. And so we, again, have the reader, the audio CDs for the child that is more auditory based, and then the activity book for the kinesthetic learner. We also have graphic novels. So we have the World War I, II, and the Civil War, and then 24 hours a day in the life of history. So for things from the attack on Pearl Harbor, D-Day, John F. Kennedy, the assassination of Martin Luther King Jr., and the Apollo 11 moon landing. So just some key historic days done in the graphic novel format. So even your most reluctant reader is going to want to learn about what happened on these
Very
days.
appealing.
Very appealing. Geography, do you want to do that one?
Okay. Again, Skill Sharpeners Geography. It's going to workbook format. So we're going to make sure your children are getting geography every year. And so it's just walking you through what is
map skills, different places, environments, et cetera, et cetera. Just a fun way.
Projects, activities, and so forth. And then the global puzzle, which is a puzzle with the pieces of each country in the shape of the country. which is quite difficult.
Yeah, 600 pieces. It will be, it'll really help cement in your child's brain where everything is geographically located.
Correct. All right.
For art this year, we have some fun new ones. Do you want to talk about mosaics?
Okay, mosaics is just what it says. So it's got little foam pieces, and you're going to be sticking them on. You'll make a gorilla and you'll make a tiger. A little more complicated than you would think when you say mosaics, but for a fourth grader, this is a great challenge for them.
Write and draw your own comics. It gives you some step-by-step ideas, instruction, spaces to start drawing your own comics, and just really kind of opens your eyes to what it takes to make a comic, and then gives you some ideas of how to jumpstart your own comics.
Right.
And then my crazy invention sketchbook, which again will help your child learn to think about ordinary life situations and what kind of inventions they might need to
make it more comfortable.
Yep. And then last, Hey Clay is new for us this year and very exciting. Beautiful, soft clay that's really easy to work with. You get it warmed up and it's just really beautiful to work with. Comes with an app that you download that will give you step-by-step directions on how to build these just adorable, cute, animated little creatures.
And the instructions are unbelievably simple. Anybody can do it.
And yet you turn out such great.
I know, they look
great. Yeah. STEM, do you want to do robotics?
Sure. So robotics this year, we've gone from just having level 1 to adding level 2. And of course, that would increase the level of difficulty with the models that are being built. Yep. And we think it's great that each of these are a 12-week course. So nearly a full year of robotics, which is wonderful. Why don't you talk about the entrepreneur?
I am so excited about this book. Basically, it walks your child through the thought process of becoming an entrepreneur. So where are the needs in your community? What are the skills that you would need? How would you sell something? How would you price it if you were going to sell it? What does customer service look like? And what do you need to do to have good customer service? If you're a manager, what is your manager's job? And what kind of skills would you need for that? And all done in this very child-friendly, attractive format that makes you actually want to become an entrepreneur. And will get your child thinking here at 4th grade, what can I do and how can I make something that would be of value to society?
And there's lots of options for kids out there.
There is.
This will help them work through that in a very systematic way.
Turn their Hey Clay into maybe profit-making venture. Who knows?
Yes.
Dr. Bonafide, this is book 2 in the series, where it just takes a kind of a closer look at different bones in your body. So this one happens to be the bones of the foot, leg, and pelvis, and done again in a more colorful,
somewhat graphic novel, somewhat fun activities, puzzles.
Yep, we'll just kind of put a little bit more focus on that for the year. For the religious curriculums, it comes with the Berean science in the Age of Reason, which, as we mentioned in other grades, we love because of the hands-on aspect. So every lesson comes with a hands-on activity that you can focus on for your hands-on learner, or text for your visual learner, or both put together if that works best for your child. But lots of options.
Some children are going to learn better not just doing, but actually seeing it done, so that when they go to recall, they'll recall how the experiment actually worked.
Yeah. And then for the non-religious grades, we have Building Blocks of Science, which comes with the laboratory notebook, the student textbook, and the teacher's manual. And let me just show you the student textbook is colorful, easy to read, very user-friendly. And then the laboratory notebook has experiments that go along with the lessons. And so you're going to be pondering and then experimenting and then writing in the results from whatever they had you working on. So I think that covers it for 4th grade.
You got it.
We've just done a quick summary on each of these products. If you want a more in-depth look, go to our website, check out sample pages, check out sample videos, or contact us directly, and we'll be happy to help you with any more questions you'd have for any of these products. Thanks.